Hi, Brendan here with another episode of Coach Gee TV. Football's back. Pro football's back. And with pro football comes commercials. Commercials for beer and also commercials for investing. I saw the other day when I'm watching the Eagles game, a commercial come on for Fidelity Trading. And the commercial talked about $0 trades. And I went on the internet and pulled up one of their ads, and it says here, trading at Fidelity, and it says smarter trading technology plus $0 commissions for trades. Now, what investors oftentimes think about when they see advertisements like this is they think, well, the trading is free. And I'm here to tell you that the trading is not free no matter what, because think about it, if you will, Fidelity or any other firm has to come up with the money to place the commercials, pay for the commercials on NFL football, which is $1 million. So again, think about it for a second. $0 trades doesn't mean free, but the problem for the investor is they don't necessarily see where the cost is coming from, and that's what I'm going to show you here today. So if we look at it for the second, we take a look at it. Let's say for the sake of argument, we went on the internet, we placed a phone call to our brokerage house. Let's say we said, okay, today we want to buy some stock. Let's say we want to buy AT&T stock. Well, you pick up the phone, you place the call to Fidelity, and let's just say they say, okay, $0 trade, but you can buy the stock for $50 per share. That sounds all well and good. Again, no commission. I'm basically doing this for free. But let's just say for the sake of argument, you said in that same conversation, you said, you know what? I don't want to buy shares of AT&T. I have shares that I want to sell. Well, they'll say to you in that instance, well, you can sell it for $49.50 per share. And again, no commission. So, but the question is, what happened to the price of my stock when I wanted to buy it? It was worth, say, $50 a share, and then it went down to $49.50 when I wanted to sell it. Well, the difference is what's called the spread, the bid-ask spread. If I am buying or selling a stock, I have to go through a brokerage house's market maker. And the market maker makes an inventory in a certain kind of stock. And just like any person who's buying or selling something, they mark the price up when you go to buy it. And when you go to sell it back to them, they mark it down such that when they put it back on the market, they are making a profit. So this kind of puts the investor and the brokerage house on opposite sides of the table. Clearly, the investor wants to save money. The brokerage house wants to make money. And how does a brokerage house make more money, be it an individual stock or be it in a mutual fund or anything? They encourage trading. Now, here's the real devious part of this. This spread isn't anywhere that the investor can actually see it. The investor doesn't necessarily know that that spread is going to the brokerage house. So again, the brokerage house wants the investor to do more and more and more trading. Again, the encouragement here is $0 commissions. Who cares about $5, $10, $12 commission on a trade when you've got thousands and thousands of shares being traded on a daily basis and the brokerage house is picking this up? So again, $0 trades doesn't mean free. It encourages trading, which drives up costs to the investor, makes the brokerage house more profitable at the expense of the investor. Thank you.